In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a home address in the Uber app. So on your phone, open up the Uber app. So once you have opened up the Uber app, just log into your Uber account. So log into your Uber account. Once you've logged into your Uber account, so go to the account section, which is on your bottom right. Tap on the account section here, click on it. So here you'll get to this account section here. Scroll all the way down and you will see there is a settings option here. So there will be a settings option here. Tap on the settings option. From the settings option here, you will see there is an option called, there's a little icon that's look like home and it says home. So that's where you add your home address. So just tap on that home icon there, tap on it, and here you will be able to, in the search bar here, it says enter home address. So type in your home address. So you can just type in your home address. So just whatever address that is, just type that in, and then once you type your address, okay, it will the results will show up all your nearby locations. So you simply select from the list here. Okay, so just select from the list, and then once the address pops up here from the list, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So for example here, so once you type in the address, once you type in your address, all the relevant and similar searches would pop up, and once you see your address here popped up, all you have to do is just tap on it. When you tap on it, and that's it, your home address has now been set, and that's basically pretty much it is.